Today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. As I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 280 different strategies, with 86 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 171 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,006 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. So the source video says the SFP indicator, boring, but will make you even beginners millionaires. And so a little bit strange on the grammar there, but seems to be saying that even beginners can become millionaires by using this boring indicator. Now, I don't know about becoming a millionaire. I guess if you were able to risk enough money, then that's possible, but we're going to put this to the test anyways and see if we can get this strategy to be profitable. Now, this strategy doesn't use just one indicator, it uses multiple indicators. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen. The first indicator we will add is going to be the swing failure pattern. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And all the settings on this one stay on default, so you don't have to change anything there. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the 7EMA_5MA indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We are going to make some modifications to this, so go ahead and jump into the settings and turn off all these selections except for the 1, 2, 3, and 4 selection, like so. You can change these to whatever color you want them to be, but what I did was I staggered the line weight. So I started with EMA 4 and made it the largest line weight, EMA 3 the next one down, and so on with all these. And so that way there is a noticeable difference in the line weight between them. It just makes it a tad bit easier to kind of comprehend what's happening with them. So what we're going to do is with EMA 1, we're going to change that to 8. EMA 2, you're going to change that to 13. EMA 3, you're going to change that to 21. EMA 4, you're going to change that to 34. And then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is going to be kind of the classic alligator style setup with the moving averages. I won't go into too much detail on that. If you're interested in more information on that, then go ahead and look that up and take a look. But basically what we're looking for is the larger moving average to be below the kind of, I guess I would say, next moving average size, below the next moving below the next. So basically you have the thinnest and then all the way down to the thickest stacked on top of each other. And it basically fans out. And this is an indication that price is in an uptrend. Then what we're looking for is the tag, like so, from the SFP indicator, this swing failure pattern. And then it gives us this arrow right here on this candle. That's going to be our signal to then enter into a trade when the moving averages line up with this signal here from the swing failure pattern. And so we're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes a little bit, price just kind of bounces around up and down for a while and then makes a push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, what we're looking for is that same fan from the moving averages, this time upside down basically. So you have the thinnest up to the thickest in order all the way up. They're kind of fanned out. You can, if you're having a hard time seeing it, you can hide price action like this right here, or you can hover over this bar with your cursor and look at the coordinates of the numbers right here, and that will tell you the moving average specific to the color and then its location as far as price goes, and so that way you can see whether or not they are stacked appropriately, but you can see clearly they are once you hide price action. Kind of gets out of the way there. And then we're looking for that same tag from the SFP indicator with the red arrow like this and pointing down there at that bar. It's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And once again, it takes a little while. We just kind of bob around with price there before we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 29 winning trades and 21 losing trades, putting it at a 58% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $17,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,400 for an overall gain of $9,000 altogether. So not too bad at all. I think this is one of the best strategies that we've had in quite some time. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 71 trades altogether. We had 57 winning trades and 20 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $34,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $24,000 for an overall gain of $10,200. So just a little bit better than the strategy. The strategy definitely gave us a run for our money on this one. And so, but as I say in multiple videos, this strategy here is a trend trading strategy, and the Academy of Forex indicator is a reversal strategy. And so if you used the Academy of Forex indicator for catching reversals, and then once it hit a trending market, used this strategy here for trends and capturing those trades, you can really maximize your profits with those two combined. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 5 trades altogether, 3 winning, 2 losing. A 58% win rate would have been a gain of $600. The crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 3 winning, 1 losing. 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,200. For the week, we would have been up $1,800. The 27-week total, we would have been up $44,410 over 213 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. This one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.